Whoa! What happened to our picture? It's art time!
A red circle, a blue square, and a yellow triangle.
Point to the red circle. Yes, the red circle.
My nose feels tickly.
Uh-oh. Is a sneeze coming? What do you think? Cover with your elbow. Like this.
Elbow ready?
Show me your elbow, please. Great job.
Achoo!
The shapes are flying.
Oh no. I ruined our picture.
It was only an accident. Accidents happen.
Are you angry?
No. Let's fix it together. Find it, name it, put it in place.
Can you help us, please?
First, let's find the red circle. Is it on the desk? No. Is it under the chair? Yes, the red circle is under the chair.
I see something blue.
What shape is it?
A blue square. Behind the book.
A blue square. Behind the book. Where is the yellow triangle?
Coco? It's on the desk.
Hee hee, yes, of course. Red circle, blue square, yellow triangle.
We fixed it together.
And now the picture is even better.
Achoo!
Friends help friends.
Ah,